Hello, Trojans. Hope everybody enjoyed their another 3-day weekend due to the weather. I know it was quite a little storm, and that hopefully everybody got a chance to dig out and then maybe have a chance to enjoy what became a pretty decent afternoon. What we want to focus on this week, I guess before we get to this week, let's look back at last week. Our focus last week was caught being good. It's just something that you need to believe. As a Trojan, you need to look outside the box and say, what kind of person am I when other people aren't looking? And when I do good deeds, I'm not doing them for recognition, but every once in a while, it's important to have other people notice the important things that you do or the good things that you do. And it helps build rapport with other people. It helps build a positive reputation in others' eyes. Congratulations, last week's students of the week. We had Kyle Eubanks in the high school, Carter Shoemaker in the elementary, and Gretchen Witt in the middle school. So congratulations to those three students on being chosen for Trojan Way Student of the Week. And remember, those are students that get nominated by staff members throughout the week. So keep rolling in those nominations. This week, our Trojan Way focus is what can you do to make your school successful? At school, we're like one big family. Whether you're a kindergartner or a senior in high school or anywhere in between, we're just one big family unit. So one thing to think about that when you're in a family is that when someone fails, we all fail. However, on the other side of it is when someone succeeds, we can all feel that sense of Trojan pride. It's important that we support each other in all things because we all have different talents and interests. But with the support of others, our entire family unit can be successful. Something else that you can think about with what you can do to make your school successful is, and this is really easy, is always give your best effort. Whether you're competing in an activity, or you're taking a MAPS test, or you're just working on homework, all that we can ask for you here at school is that you try to do your very best and that you try your best to succeed. Don't ever let your effort be what causes you from not being successful. So it's important to give a good effort, try your very best, and the results will be what they'll be, but you know that you did your very best to do what you could to make the whole thing work. Again, this week we're focusing on this month we're focusing on just. This week we're going to have an activity. We're going to get back together with our Trojan Way buddy groups, and the teachers will have access to an activity that they'll work on with your group. It should be a fun time to get back together. I know it's been a while since you've been together with your Trojan buddies, and I know it's a really good time for all that's involved. So we're looking forward to it. We'll do that again on Friday of this week rather than on Tuesday. We'll do a Trojan Way Tuesday on Friday. So can't wait to have you guys all back here in the building on Tuesday morning, and looking forward to having a great week, and go Trojans.